Guys, this is Maggie Raj here, and today I am going to get discuss about the moment of inertia of a ring, disc, and solid sphere, just like so. First of all, we will discuss about the moment of inertia of circular ring. So let me consider this is a circular ring, okay, whose axis is y dash and its radius is r. Okay, so let the circular ring whose mass is capital M and its circumference will be 2 pi r. Okay, so देखिएगा इसकी लेंथ क्या होगी, ये पूरी इट्स सर्कमफ्रेंस. सो मास पर यूनिट लेंथ क्या बनेगा, मास पर यूनिट लेंथ इज इक्वल टू m बाई 2 पाई r. Okay, so let me consider a small dx part. This is a dx part in this circumference or in the whole length, just like circumference. But this is a dx part, so its mass is, so mass in dx length. So देखिएगा 1 यूनिट में इतना मास है, so dx यूनिट में, so it is a small mass, that is this m by 2 pi r into dx. Okay, and we know that moment of inertia, we know that MOI is equals to di equals to mr square, so it is equals to dm into r square and integral from 0 to 2 pi r, क्योंकि स्मॉल dx पार्ट हमने किसमें लिया है, पर्टिकुलर इसकी circumference में. So I is equals to, this value is dm m by 2 pi r into r square dx integral 0 to 2 pi r. Here putting this value of dm r square. So finally we will solve this. This is equals to m by 2 pi into r and integral of 1 dx from 0 to 2 pi r. So I is equals to mr upon 2 pi x 0 to 2 pi r, that is equals to mr upon 2 pi into 2 pi r. Okay, so it will be equals to m into r square. So we can say that moment of inertia of a circular ring is equals to mr square. Let this is a circular ring of a radius capital R. Its mass is capital M, and we can say that its circumference will be equals to 2 pi r. Let me consider a small part of dx of this length whose mass is dm. So we know that mass per unit length is equals to m by 2 pi r. So mass in dx length will be equals to dm equals to m by 2 pi r into dx. 1 यूनिट में इतना है तो dx यूनिट में कितना हो जाएगा, इतना. So we know that moment of inertia equals to di equals to m into r square. So di is equals to dm into r square and integrated from 0 to 2 pi r whole circumference. So it is here putting the value of dm and integrated from 0 to 2 pi r. So finally I equals to m into r square. So this is the MY for a circular ring. Now we are going to get discuss about the moment of inertia of a circular disc. So let me discuss here. This is a circular disc of radius capital R and it rotates about its own axis y dash. Okay, axis. So this complete disk prepared by the several concentric disks with variable radius x with thickness dx. ये क्या है? ये जो पूरी डिस्क है ये ऐसी ही स्मॉल डिस्केस जिसकी रेडियस x है, वेरिएबल रेडियस है, और थिकनेस dx है, ऐसी छोटी छोटी डिस्केस से मिलकर के बनी है। जैसे मान लीजिए कि ये x1 है, फिर ये x2 है, फिर ये x3 है, ऐसे मिलकर के ये कंप्लीट एक डिस्क बन गई है। सो यहाँ पर हमने क्या कंसीडर किया है? x रेडियस की और dx थिकनेस की कोई डिस्क है, उनको ऐसे प्रिपेयर्ड करके, मेंटेन करके, कंबाइन करके एक पूरी बड़ी डिस्क तैयार किया है। तो यहाँ पर इसके लैंग्वेज में यही लिखेंगे, लेट अ डिस्क हुज रेडियस इज कैपिटल R एंड मास इज कैपिटल M. This disk prepared by the help of several variable radii disks whose radius is x and thickness is dx. So we can say that mass in per unit area is equal to m by pi r square, because area of this disk is pi r square. So per unit area is this. So अगर dx पार्ट के लिए देखें तो इतने का एरिया क्या होगा इस dx का, इसकी थिकनेस कितनी है dx, रेडियस कितनी है इतनी, तो 2 पाई आर ये लेंथ इनटू dx। तो पर्टिकुलर डिस्क का एरिया इतना हो जाएगा, तो इस डिस्क के एरिया का मास कितना हो जाएगा? इतना। ओके, पर यूनिट एरिया पर मास कितना है, तो डिस्क का जो एरिया है वो इतना, इतने एरिया में कितना मास बनेगा? dm, इतना आ जाएगा। So we know that di equals to mass dm into r x square and integral from 0 to r. So putting here the value of dm and x square, multiplying this, so it will be equals to this, and integral of x cube is equals to x power 4 by 4, and putting this limit from 0 to r, so it will be equals to mr square by 2. So we can say that the moment of inertia of a circular disc is mr square by 2, as this. Okay, let a circular disc whose radius is capital R and its mass is capital M, it prepared by the help of several concentric discs whose radius, variable radius is x and each thickness is dx. So we can say that its mass in per unit area is equals to m by pi r square, and we can say that the area of this disk is this. So we can say the mass dm in this disk area is this. So I equals to mr square, so di is equals to dm into x square, and integrate from 0 to r, because this is a complete disk whose radius is r. So 0 to r, and integration, after integration it will be this. So x cube dx is equals to x power 4 by 4. So finally putting the limit, it will be equals to mr square by 2. Now we are going to discuss about the MOI of a uniform thin rod. MOI of uniform thin rod. So let me consider, this is a uniform thin rod whose length is capital L. Okay, it rotates about its own axis. So let me consider its center is O and this is its axis. So we can say that this length divided into L by 2 and L by 2. Okay, so according to this, whenever this work as its axis, so this coordinate is minus L by 2 comma 0, and this coordinate is L by 2 comma 0. Okay, so let me consider a particular dx part. This is dx whose mass is dm and its length from its center axis is x. Okay, so we can say that a uniform thin rod of length L and mass, its mass is m. Okay, so let me consider a uniform rod of mass m and length L situated just like as shown in figure, and its axis is AB whose center is O. Okay, whenever it rotates about its own axis, so let me consider a dx part whose mass is dm and its length from O is x. So we can say that in mass per unit length is equals to mass per unit length equals to m by L. So we can say that mass dm equals to m by L into dx. dm मास कितने का है? dx लेंथ का है. Is it clear? So now di equals to dm into r square. So here length is dx, so this x square, and it integrated from minus L by 2 to L by 2. complete rod का करना है तो minus L by 2 to L by 2. so it is equals to I 1 का इंटीग्रल di I हो जाएगा. dm की वैल्यू है m by L dx into x square and limit minus L by 2 to L by 2. it is equals to m by L and its integration x square dx is equals to x cube by 3 and limit minus L by 2 to L by 2. Okay, so it is equals to m by L into, we can solve this, is equals to 3 भी आप बाहर ले सकते हैं, L by 2 whole cube minus L by 2 whole cube. Upper limit minus lower limit. So after solving, this will be equals to I equals to ml square by 12. Okay, L cube by 8 और माइनस माइनस ये भी प्लस L cube by 8 ऐड हो जाएंगे, सॉल्व होकर के इतना आ जाएगा. So we can say that this is a uniform rod of a length L and mass capital M whose own axis is AB which is passes from its midpoint O. Let me consider a dx part whose mass is dm and length from its O is x. Okay, so mass in per unit length is m by L. So mass in dx length dm is equals to m by L into dx. So we know that moment of inertia is equal to mass into length square. So dm into x square, and it integrated from minus L by 2 to L by 2. So put here the value of dm and after integration it will be equals to ml square by 12. Okay, and now we are going to get discussed about the moment of inertia of a solid sphere. So let me consider this is a solid sphere of radius capital R whose y-axis is y dash and x-axis is x dash. Let me consider this sphere rotated about its axis x dash. So let me cut apart dx thickness just like this is a disk part. जब इस पार्ट को हम इतना कट करके निकालेंगे तो कैसा आएगा, इस तरीके के, मतलब ये हो जाएगा कि कैपिटल आर रेडियस का तो सर्कल नहीं होगा बट कुछ दूसरी रेडियस जो आर से कम होगी. लेट वी कंसीडर दिस रेडियस इज y and this thickness is dx. So this volume is area of this pi y square into thickness dx. Okay, and its this coordinate is minus r comma 0 and this coordinate is r comma 0. So let me consider this is a solid sphere whose mass is capital M, radius is capital R, and its density is rho. So we can say that density equals to mass upon volume, and this volume is the volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So according to this, rho is this. and let me discuss here particular mass of this is dm equals to dv into rho. So dv is equals to पाई वाई स्क्वायर इंटू डी एक्स इंटू रो की वैल्यू हमने यहाँ पे सॉल्व कर ली है 3m/4 पाई आर क्यूब. सो dm इक्वल्स टू पाई इंटू दिस वैल्यू ऑफ वाई स्क्वायर. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस लेट मी डिस्कस हियर दिस ट्रायंगल OAB, this is x length, this is radius and this is y. So using Pythagoras theorem, r square equals to y square plus x square. So r square minus x square is equals to y square. So putting this value, y square is equals to r square minus x square, and add it similar dx into 3m/4 pi r cube. So I equals to dm into r square. So this is a disk and हमने डिस्कस किया है इस डिस्क के लिए मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया mr square by 2. So this mass is dm, radius is y, so y square by 2. So this is di equals to dm into y square by 2 and integrated from minus r to r. पूरी स्फीयर को इंटीग्रेट कर रहे हैं. तो dm की वैल्यू देखिए ये है. ओके, ये सॉल्व कर दिए, रख दिया यहाँ पर इनटू y स्क्वायर यहां पर रख दिया बाई 2. ओके, इतनी वैल्यू हो जाएगी. इज इट क्लियर? सो नाउ विल सॉल्व दिस. I इक्वल्स टू इंटीग्रल माइनस r टू r एंड वी कैन राइट दिस इज द पाई टू पाई कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा 3m अपॉन 4 टू 8 r क्यूब इंटीग्रल माइनस r टू r स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर r स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर r स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर होल ऑफ स्क्वायर dx. Is it clear? And open this square. I equals to 3m upon 8 r cube and minus r to r. So we can use here this property of integral, property of integration minus a to a fx dx equals to 0 to a fx dx. ऐसा यूज कर सकते हैं. देखिएगा माइनस ए टू ए माइनस आर टू आर, तो हम इसको कैसा लिख सकते हैं 0 टू ए लिमिट बना दें और ये 2 के फॉर्म में हो जाएगा 2 इंटू 0 टू आर. ओके, एंड सो ऑन आर स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर होल ऑफ स्क्वायर डी एक्स. एफ एक्स डी एक्स एज इट इज वैसे ही रहेगा, बस माइनस ए टू ए को 0 टू ए करने के लिए यहाँ पर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. मैथमेटिक्स में एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द इंटीग्रल में एक प्रॉपर्टी है उसका यूज किया है. अब हम इस स्क्वायर को ओपन कर देंगे और सॉल्व कर देंगे. सो I इक्वल्स टू 3m अपॉन 4 r क्यूब इंटीग्रल 0 टू r पावर 4 प्लस x पावर 4 माइनस 2r स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर dx. ओके, और इसको इंटीग्रेट कर दीजिए. तो ये आ जाएगा I इक्वल्स टू 3m अपॉन 4 r क्यूब इंटीग्रल r पावर 4x प्लस x पावर 5 बाई 5 इसका इंटीग्रल माइनस 2r स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स क्यूब बाई 3 लिमिट 0 टू r. सो इट इज इक्वल्स टू 3m अपॉन 4 r क्यूब, सब जगह r पुट कर दीजिए x की जगह, तो r पावर 5 4 ये और यहाँ पर r, तो r पावर 5 प्लस r पावर 5 बाई 5 माइनस 2r स्क्वायर r क्यूब r पावर 5 बाई 3 इतना हो जाएगा माइनस 0. सब जगह x की जगह 0 पुट करेंगे, ये आ जाएगा. अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर देंगे तो फाइनली ये सॉल्व होकर के आ जाएगा इसको 2/5 mr square. So this will be the moment of inertia of the solid sphere. Okay.